So how do you know which turn server is being used or if a turn server is used? I took a few WebRTC internal dump files from inside testRTC, but this can be any kind of a WebRTC internals file. And I've forced one to use turn TLS and the other to just use stun. Let's see what can I do with it. I drag and drop the WebRTC internals dump, the one with stun here, into the analyzeRTC pane. Once it gets uploaded, I can go check the results. Okay, so I've got the results here. I'm not going to look at this. I'm more interested in the advanced part. Okay, what we see here is a peer connection. This is the get user media, not interesting. This is a configuration. We see that it has one TLS address provided with turn S. That's because Jitsi, which is a service that I've used here, uses ICE TCP, so it doesn't need turn over TCP. It got connected, and here we've got the ICE candidate table. We see that there are two candidates. The first one is in state in progress, so this one didn't get connected. It was trying to connect the host UDP to the host UDP on the other side. This means that it tried to use the local IP addresses. It didn't succeed because I picked machines in two different data centers, so they can't connect directly. What it did succeed is to connect the peer reflexive with the server reflexive UDP candidates, or specifically, in our case, stun servers. Each Jitsi client got an IP address, a public IP address from the stun server, and then used that address to try and connect to the other end, and you can see that they succeeded. So in testRTC, if I go inside the Advanced WebRTC graphs for any WebRTC internals dump file, you can upload your own. If you go to this table, search for the green one that is open, the green box that is open here, you can immediately see what got connected. What about turn? How do I know, how would it look like if turn got connected? Let's go again to analyzeRTC, take our other file here, drag it here, wait for it to load, look at the results, and again, drill down to the Advanced WebRTC Analytics. We see roughly the same thing, but when it comes time to look at the ICE candidates, we see 4 different candidates. 2 in progress for the host, one with a server reflexive, both failed or still in progress. The one trying to do relay TLS to the host UDP failed. And then we've got the one that succeeded, which is relay to server reflexive UDP. Okay? What does that mean exactly? It means that if one of the sides is relay, we are on a turn connection. Okay? And the turn connection here was TLS. Okay? So in essence, you can use testRTC today to look at your WebRTC internal dump files or the results inside testRTC itself that get collected there, and immediately understand if the session got relayed, connected directly, connected through stun servers' public IP addresses, and if it is a relay case, was it done through UDP, TCP, or in this example, TLS. Thank you.